So yes, everybody knows this.
That's good.
I take off this off of my head. That's just stuff. Come here, I can. I put on my wig. See, guys, see, I'm dead back here. Yeah. Guys, that one. So, I don't know where I'm going. The next thing I'm going to do. So, and Latoya is my understand. She put on her makeup as you guys saw. So, yeah, the party is practically that's start. People are coming in. It's a good look. We soon got the party. And then I'm gonna show you guys my outfits and all of that. So, yeah. That one you do? Nice one?
Yeah. No, no, workout.
You mean a work?
Take a cut, not a workout. Good. So don't.
Any for the beat, yeah.
That's all. Sure, that's all.
Guys, when you're done, I get back. Okay? So, turn the lights. Yes. Guys, it finished. Get it? Yeah. One there? Yeah. It's alright. Yeah, I like it. Guys, I'm not ugly, you know? I'm not ugly. Thanks, Bob. But you can't even see because of the light. So, yeah. And let's what yeah. What can I cameraman this? Yeah. Let's say I look nice for a party like that. Let's say I got dance, so later we're going to see.
This will come in and dance.
So, the party still a go on, but I'm tired. But tell that time so when the party done, show up me. I feel a party now. I got a few footage you guys might see before or after this video, but that was just some of what happened today. Really tired, so I'm just gonna lay down. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. Guys, thanks for everybody who good afternoon. I apologize. Thanks for everybody who support and came to Latoya party yesterday. Thanks. What have to say about it? It was a good turnout. Bad and bougie. So Latoya, I got breakfast. Tastes good. Our mother. Yeah, tastes good. So may I just go over our house now where I get some rest of stuff and come back. So that's what we're doing right now. And yeah.
Hi guys, I'm my mommy Kenya. Okay, so how are you today? I'm okay. So I'm going.
Future vlogger, future YouTuber.
I'm going to my mother's house. So I almost reached there. Yeah.
I always like to be in the video, and she always said, "Petagaye, let me vlog. I'll make her a vlog a while ago." Say how you feel for vlog though, eh?
I feel nice.
Yeah, because these are your friends, you know. Because guys, today I go to Lataya house, but as I almost reach, my girl yesterday we left the key. She left the key, so she forgot back. We are on the road now and bring back the key. But we're gonna just wait at her cousin's place until she get back. So yeah, and then get something to eat. So yeah. Guys, we're picking plum. Like this, yeah. Alright, the sun hot man. Woo. Oh, you see that? I tell you, the front you can have plum, you have mango, you have everything.
Take up your mango after this, sir?
She said, you have a
Me
key.
hear like somebody say, "Paprika and plum."
Really? You take up your mango, me tell them I want the mango to eat now when you left in the house.
What them? Them money, you guys.
Why you have to take that one? The pick
Want to take that one, yeah.
Why?
Because the mother got pick more. So, yes, my Spanish onion picking plum for your Tony. They one shop, they must sell burger. So I order burger, my grandma because I saw we panel for finish up burger and cheesy fries. So that's for lunch until later. If Latoya makes dinner, I have dinner and then go home, or I buy dinner and go home. And then yeah, so that's what I'm doing, just waiting because the burger is done to order.
And a bag.
That's cool, like me. Yeah, put it here. Wow, games. After I reach after tree, back up in a Kewana.
Kewana Yadi.
Yes, and so we're just gonna get something to drink.
Yeah.
And just have a good time before I go home because I feel like I stop at Little Caesars, get something for my father and my sister. But let's see how that goes. But I'm gonna drink again, even though I drink already last night.
We're gonna get drunk.
No, boo, I got work 7 o'clock in the morning, so I don't. Let's see how that goes. But as you guys know, I went to a party last night. It was crazy, and now I want to drink again. I don't have a hangover. So guys, we ended up at Chilitos. I got a taco, and Kiwana got that over there, and I also got an orange juice, guys. Also check out Kiwana's channel. Our link is in the description box. Let her know that I send you over there. So yeah, we're just enjoying the food, chilling, talking, enjoying the night, and eating food. So yeah.